Panog, also done by distillation method. Another process is called chromatography. Chromatography is a technique wherein it separates the components of the mixture based on the ability of the components that can be drawn across the surface of another material. Now, let's recap the different ways of separating mixtures. Decantation, filtration, sieving, use of magnet or magnetism, evaporation, distillation, and lastly, chromatography.